In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate elements in Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with Lucidchart or looking to refine your skills, being able to rotate shapes and text is an essential tool for creating professional diagrams. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Lucidchart website. Go ahead and open your preferred browser and enter lucidchart.com into the address bar. Once the page is loaded, look around the home page for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so click on that to proceed to the login page. Next, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to use the one linked to your Lucidchart subscription. Once you've done that, click on the Next button. Now it's time to enter your password. As a quick tip, if you've forgotten it, Lucidchart provides a convenient forgot password link, which can guide you through resetting it. Once you've entered your password, look for the login button and click it to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the documents page where all your existing files are stored. Browse through this list and click on the file you want to work on. After selecting a file, proceed by clicking Open. This action will take you into the document workspace where you can make edits. Once you're in the document, locate the shape or text item you want to rotate. Click on it to select it. It should be highlighted to signify that it's ready for editing. With the item selected, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the interface. Here you'll find a small circular icon. This is your rotate tool. Now simply click and hold the rotate icon. You can drag your mouse to the left or right, allowing you to rotate the item to the desired angle. As you do this, pay attention to any guidelines or angle readouts which can help you achieve precise rotations. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to rotate shapes or text in Lucidchart. This skill will enhance your ability to create dynamic and visually appealing diagrams, perfect for presentations, reports, or any other professional document. Remember, Lucidchart is a powerful tool, and mastering features